Hi, I'm Elise for Hamilton Beach. Our Eclectrics stand mixer fuses all-metal durability with over a century of mixing innovation. Planetary mixing action spins the mixing head as it rotates completely inside the bowl, removing the need to stop and scrape the sides. This revolutionary action provides superior mixing compared to traditional 2-beater stand mixers. A powerful 400-watt motor handles everything from simple mixing to the thickest cookie dough, and it can also whip cream in no time. 12 settings give you maximum versatility and precise control at every speed. Adding ingredients while preparing a recipe is easy. The head tilts up out of the way for bowl access, or you can use the pouring shield to add ingredients. Non-slip feet keep the mixer still while in use, and the shield guards against messy drips, drops, and spills. The non-stick flat beater, dough hook, whisk, and the stainless steel 4.5 quart mixing bowl are all dishwasher safe for fast cleanup. This mixer is available in a variety of colors, so you can pick one that suits your personal style. This mixer combines the built-to-last metal construction of the past with the look of today to bring lasting quality and style to your kitchen. Now that's good thinking.
As every cook knows, nothing makes prepping and mixing your favorite recipes quicker and easier than using a high-quality stand mixer. And now, thanks to the best name in the business, you can simply and efficiently handle the heaviest mixing tasks with the newest stand mixer from Cuisinart. This powerful 500-watt stand mixer is made of sturdy die-cast metal construction and has 12 mixing speeds for superior precision. The tilt-back head allows for easy access to the mixing bowl, and the included splash guard makes it easy to add ingredients even during operation. The Cuisinart stand mixer comes with 3 accessories: a chef's whisk, dough hook, and flat mixing paddle that all operate with whisper-quiet performance. This machine goes beyond the typical cookies and mashed potatoes, including fluffy creams, whole wheat pasta and pizza dough, and spicy guacamole. There's no end to the convenient solutions this stand mixer delivers. And when your kitchen creativity requires it, you can easily add any of Cuisinart's easy-to-use attachments, like the pasta extruder, dessert maker, or meat grinder. The generous 5.5 quart work bowl comes in polished stainless steel and features an easy grip handle. Make up to 6 cups of cream, process 6 cups of flour, or even 5 dozen cookies. And save time cleaning up, as the bowl, paddle, and dough hook are 100% dishwasher safe. The stand mixer comes in silver, white, or red and is backed by a 3-year warranty. Why wait to simplify your cooking and baking food preparation? Bring home classic cooking convenience with the new Cuisinart stand mixer.